As soon as Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook see so many Korean news agencies in the conference hall, all three of them are surprised. They were not able to understand what Mr. Kim was going to tell them in front of the media. Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook were all standing stylishly behind Mr. Kim. YN and her cousin Suzy, who was sitting in Sky Group, were also watching all this while sitting in the cabin. Both of them were also engrossed in the thought that what news Mr. Kim, the chairman of King Group, was going to make on the news. Looking at Mr. Kim on the TV, Suzy asked YN, "Sis, who is this old man? As soon as the news came, you left all your work and started watching him." YN looked at Taehyung standing behind Mr. Kim wearing a mask and said to him, "We should keep an eye on every information of our enemy, that too on such a special enemy, who does not give us a single chance to win." Ever since Mr. Kim's grandson Taehyung has been looking after his work, our company has had to face defeat many times. To be honest, now I also hate him. How can someone be so perfect? Hearing these words of her sister, Suzy understood how much she hates Taehyung. To defeat Taehyung and King Group, she hired an insider influencer company online which would help them to get ahead of King Group. In King Group's conference hall, all the media people were eagerly waiting for that special announcement of Mr. Kim for which he had called them so early. Jimin and Jungkook asked Taehyung in gestures, "Bro, what is grandfather going to do?" Taehyung said to them with a little confusion, "I don't know this either, guys. But whatever, looking at grandfather, it seems as if he had planned all this beforehand." Getting serious, Mr. Kim said while adjusting his tie to the media present in front, "You all are very welcome to this special announcement of King Group." He called Taehyung who was standing behind him and further said, "Many of you might know him, and those who don't, I will tell them. This is my grandson, Kim Taehyung, the next heir of King Group." Just then, one of the people sitting in the media got up from his place and started asking Mr. Kim, "Was this the news for which you called us here, Mr. Kim?" Mr. Kim said looking at him, "No, I called you all here so that I could announce my retirement." As soon as he said this, the entire media industry was shocked because Korea's biggest businessman had retired today, and this was no small matter. Every news started talking about Mr. Kim's retirement. His retirement started affecting his share value. His share value fell by 5%. YN, who was watching this news, could not believe her ears that her biggest business rival is retiring. Thinking this, a smile of victory was about to appear on her face when she saw Kim Taehyung standing with Mr. Kim. As soon as she saw him, her smile disappeared. Suzy happily said to YN, "Good news, sis, your biggest business rival is himself getting out of the race. Now you will become number 1, not number 2. As soon as she said this, Suzy saw the serious look of YN, who was looking at Taehyung. Standing beside YN, her secretary and school-time friend Min Young told Suzy, "In the jungle, even the lion leaves its kingdom when it finds the next heir to that jungle, and here Mr. Kim had such an heir for years who was entitled to his throne in every sense. Mr. Kim is retiring. This means only one thing, that now his grandson will sit on his chair. Kim Taehyung will sit." YN said, seeing Taehyung getting serious on the TV. Just then a pop-up came on Suzy's mobile, and seeing it, an evil smile came on Suzy's face. Seeing that smile on her face, both YN and Min Young started getting confused. They asked her, "Suzy, are you okay?" Just then Suzy showed them the notification on her mobile and said, "Look, whose message did I get? Of the number 1 insider influencer company of the country. What did you say, Miss Min Young? Lion. Now you will see the hunter who hunts such lions." Here in the conference hall, hearing those words of Mr. Kim, Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook, all three got shocked. They had not even thought that grandfather would suddenly give them such a big shock. Taehyung tries to say something to him to talk about this, but Mr. Kim does not pay attention to any of his words. He further told the media, "On the coming 30th, my grandson will turn 27 years old, and from that time onwards he will become the owner of King Group. Just after 15 days you are going to meet such a businessman, who will take King Group to the heights of the sky. Hearing those words of Mr. Kim, YN present in Sky Group said smilingly, now my fight is not with Mr. Kim, but with Kim Tae-hyung who advises him. Now the game will be fun. Stay away from me Kim Tae-hyung. To be continued. What will happen when Suzy finds out that the lion of the jungle is the real hunter? What will happen when Tae-hyung takes control of King Group? What will happen when YN finds out that her biggest enemy has come to help her? Stay tuned to Love as a Deal to know